You need to hear this if you've ever counted seconds between thunderclaps. Lightning isn't just a flash, it's nature's wildest light show. Here's how it works. First, storm clouds act like giant batteries, building up electric charge as they swirl in the sky. The bottom of the cloud gets packed with negative charges, while the ground below gathers positive ones. The difference grows until, zap, a bolt of electricity leaps from the cloud to Earth, traveling faster than you can blink. That bolt? It's a super hot streak of plasma, heating the air to a mind-blowing 30,000 degrees Celsius, hotter than the sun's surface. Next time you see lightning, remember, it's the ultimate power move from Mother Nature. Now you know what's behind the storm.